A warm welcome to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the concept of K nearest neighbor. Imagine you are standing in a room full of people and you need to figure out which group someone belongs to just by looking at where they are standing. The K nearest neighbor algorithm works exactly like this. But instead of a physical room, we work in a mathematical space where each dimension represents a different characteristic or feature of our data. This animation will take you through every step of how this algorithm makes decisions, and by the end you will have a complete picture about K nearest neighbor. From the starting of the animation, if you can look into the picture, introducing the training data, it is having three different classes. This data is organized in three different classes, which we will call them as class A, class B, and class C. Think of these classes as different categories or groups that we want to able to be distinguished between them. In a medical application, these might be different types of diseases, and in marketing concepts, these three can be three different types of customers. So in this example, if you can see, class A appears in red color and we can see 20 individual data points, and class B follows appearing in blue color with another 20 points, and class C completes our training set appearing in green with 20 more points. So here the major problem will come into the picture, an unknown point which is belongs to which category. The challenge arrives here, an unknown point which is belongs to which category. If you can look into the animation, a bright yellow point larger than the training points marked with a question mark. This is our test data point, a new observation whose class we don't know yet. Whether this yellow ball it is belongs to category A, category B, or category C, or this yellow point is belongs to class A, class B, or class C. The yellow point is positioned carefully in the space. It's not in the center of any cluster. It's not typically belongs to any group, which makes it an interesting case. It sits in a location where it could potentially belongs to any of three classes, depending on how we interpret closeness and how many neighbors we consider. So therefore here we have to calculate the distance from this new data point and the three different group of data points. So for this here we will use different distance measurement techniques. The thin gray line briefly appears connecting the yellow test point to several of training points scattered throughout the space. These lines represents distance measurements. The mathematical calculation of these three groups and the new test point it happen with the help of distance measurement techniques. We call it as Manhattan distance and Euclidean distance. The algorithm does not just measure the distance to a few points, it calculates the distance from our yellow point to every single one of the 60 training points, as because class A belongs to 20 points, class B belongs to 20 points, class 3 belongs to 20 points. Therefore, this Manhattan distance will try to calculate, or this Euclidean distance will try to calculate the distance from yellow point to remaining 60 different points. And the next important thing will come into the picture, finding the nearest neighbor. So here in this animation we are going to take three different equals. So when k equal to 3, what will happen, and when k equal to 5, what is the situation, and when k equal to 7, what about the total number of data points from group A, group B, and group C to that particular new yellow point. So here we are trying to repeat the process repeatedly until to identify whether this new point is belongs to which category. Finally, if we can go for decision boundaries of this new point is belongs to which class, we can see all the training points in their three colors. The originally yellow test point now colored according to its prediction, and the additional test points showing how the algorithm would classify other locations. Finally, we can see the potential relationships, understandings, and how the distribution has been happened, and this new point is belongs to which category. Thank you.